Hello everyone! Today we are going to start our little mini unit on proportions, and I'm going to show you first how proportions are the same, and then we will do a couple of other little videos on ratios and percent, and then we'll be off to the races. So first of all, I'm going to show you about proportions, and all that really means is that they are equal fractions. I'm going to show you in something that I think you're probably pretty familiar with. Pizza. First of all, 2 pizzas. This pizza only got cut into 4 pieces. This pizza, it got sliced into 8 pieces. So what if you ate this entire quarter of that pizza? You ate 1 of 4 pieces. A proportion is a number of something else. So 1 of 4 pieces is what you ate here. To eat the same amount, the same space worth, you would have eaten 2 of 8 pieces over here. It's actually the same thing. It's actually the same amount. So this space is the same as that space, meaning 1 of 4 is the same as 2 of 8. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways, 3 ways, not a couple, a few, 3 ways that you can solve equations that are equal. What if one of these numbers were missing? How could you do it? So first I'm going to show you the 3 ways, and then we're going to imagine that one of the numbers were not there. So the first way is a vertical way. Let's say that you have these numbers. I'm just going to show you how these are the same. Imagine a pizza again. Maybe you cut a pizza into 12 pieces. 4 of the pieces would be eaten. Or if you cut it into 21 pieces, 7 of the pieces would be eaten. It's going to look the same, just like this pizza does. So this is a vertical how to solve. You can see here, I'll use a different pen, that 4 times 3 is 12, and 7 times 3 is 21. So if one of these numbers were missing, you could figure that out because you could see, oh, one of these has a times 3. If I times 3 on the other side, I can figure out my other number. And I'll prove that in just a minute. The second way is horizontal. So if we have 9 of 10, there's nothing I can do vertically here. 9 times is 10. I can't do that one. However, what if I had 36 out of 40? You can see this time that 9 times 4 is 36, and 10 times 4 is 40. So again, if one of these numbers were missing, you could do your multiplying or dividing horizontally to figure that out. Sometimes neither one of these works. So this is our most common, and what you'll see on most videos is cross multiply. So if we have 6 of 9, that equals 8 of 12. It does, and I'm going to show you how. You want to have your cross multiplication answers equal on either side. So we cross multiply. It looks like a multiply sign, which is really a nice bonus. We put one of the answers on one side and one of the answers on the other side. So I'm going to say 6 times 12 equals 72. And 9 times 8 also equals 72. So we have 72 equals 72. We have cross multiplied, and that is awesome. So I'm going to remind you that now all you need to do is solve. So if one of these were missing, let's see if we can figure this one out. Let's say if I have 6 over some number, I'm not really sure what it is, equals 8 over 12. If we cross multiply, then we can see, 6 times 12, that equals 72. And 8 times n, what do we do there? We have to divide the 8 off just to get n by itself, which means we also need to divide the 8 off of this side. Now we have 9 equals n And there is our answer. We can put a 9 where the n was. Those are the 3 ways to solve for proportion. Let's go talk about ratio.